to my channel. Today we'll be doing fruit salad and vegetable salad. So I'm about to get cutting. Alright, first let me get all my vegetables and fruits washed, and then you will watch me as I carve this melon. Alright guys, I'm going to get started, but I'm going to wash all these. See, they're all washed and piled up. Now please remember to subscribe. Please, 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 and tap. Let me get started with the melon. I'm going to first mark the melon. Oh, I want to cut it. And then also make a mark. Okay, now let me try this. I can find the mark on this side. Yes, I did. Of course. Okay. Now I need a taller or a longer knife to go all the way in. Wow, that's beautiful. I just want to give it a taste. Let's hope it is sweet. Oh my goodness. That's a very sweet melon. Now I'm going to be using a spoon, and I'm going to keep taking the pieces out. Alright, so I've created something. I've not been a melon carver for years. It's my first time trying to do something with a melon, so I better take my little time and not do too much. I won't even show you what I'm doing on this side unless it starts working out. Alright. Completed this section and I emptied that. Now I'm trying to create a face. I did two eyes and a nose, and I don't know if you can see the little mouth that I've created, but this is actually a face, and the back is a basket. I'm going to fill the basket with fruits, but for now it also has a little face, if you can see the face of my melon. And now I'm going to be adding fruits to it. So I'm adding pieces of mango. I'm also using apples. I need 4 pieces of apples. I'm using a toothpick to put in the apples at the 4 corners, mimicking 4 wheels. So it's like a cartoon buggy. I'm using pieces of apples to make the 4 wheels on the sides. Okay. Attaching these with a toothpick. So it's a cartoon bug basket. Alright. Now I'm going to be filling the inside with grapes, kiwis, pieces of mango. Completed my melon basket, but I need to make a little melon cup. Sorry, a apple cup. So I took out the core and the entire inside of an apple, and I'm going to use water, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. I'm going to use the same spoon to just stir this in some water. Now that the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to add the slightest little drop of almond flavoring. I usually use cinnamon, but this time I'm giving it a drop of almond flavoring. Okay, this goes over my fruit salad, but for now it's going into the apple cup. Okay. So I'm going to get started on my vegetable salad. Okay. I'm going to do pieces at a time. So I'm actually going as fine as possible. Very time consuming. My cabbage is all done, so now I'm doing the carrots. Carrot is completely shredded. Now I'm mixing them together, getting them saturated throughout each other. I also made a bed of lettuce, so I'm going to lay them on. And this is some water, sugar, and vinegar. And it is actually my salad dressing. But it goes on at this point. 4 tablespoons vinegar, sugar, and water, just to make it a little bit tangy. And then I saturate this through. Then it's going to go straight onto my bed of lettuce. Okay, so I'm going around the edges alternately with tomato and cucumber. Let me put the cucumbers in first. Then I slice the tomato as thin as possible. And I keep going all the way around. And around and around and around. So now my vegetable salad is almost complete. All I'm adding to this is some red onions. Onions are kind of tart sometimes, or they can be very harsh. So I'm going to blanch them into some hot water. I'm using red onion just for the colors. They seem to be purple instead of red. I don't know why they say red onion. They are literally purple. And they're going to add a little color contrast. So I'm blanching them in hot water on the stove. And I'm making a tomato roast. So I peel a tomato. And I'm going to keep on going round and around with the skin of the tomato. I make this one in my hand middle because it's almost not cooperating. But I'm creating a little tomato rose. It's not the perfect ones. I tried one before that was perfect. Let me try again. Wrap that around and around. Oh, it's now in 2 pieces, however. This looks somewhat like a rose and it sits in the middle of my salad as a garnish. So now I am done with the salad. Let me use this a quick rinse. My red onions are blanched and they are going to go straight onto my salad. Just to add a little color and extra flavor. Okay. Oh, I love your hair, Anika. That's beautiful. Anyway, guess what, guys? We are eating too much rice, bread, sugar, and sugar, and sugar again. So today, I made a vegetable salad and a fruit salad for breakfast.
Wow, I can't wait to eat it.
Okay. I do a few taco shells, so you still have a little bit of starch going on, but it's made with maize, corn, okay? And there are a few sausages you can also have with them to make a taco. But we are doing a fruits and vegetable. Can you look at my basket? It has a face on it.
It looks like a cat.
It's like a little buggy. Let me turn it around.
I think it looks like a car. That's
The
what
back of it looks just like a basket with a little tail. What animal does it look like?
A cat. A
A
dog.
cat?
A
Look more
cat.
like a possum or some of those little things.
Yeah, a cat. I think a cat.
Okay, some bug. However, I can't waste time talking, guys. We need to get eating.
Well, I want to.
And here you have ranch, but I also have different things on my salad, so we can go ahead and just start eating. The guys are interested in the fruits. Please, vegetable is right here. Okay. So I'm gonna get a ring, a sweet pepper ring, some salad, and there's lettuce underneath this, so we are good to make a taco.
I've never tried a taco with sausage.
Me either.
You have to be inventive. Guys, please watch and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'm having fun with my girls. Every day we do something inventive. Every Thursday another video comes up. And we have creative ideas coming. So thank you for watching. Eat up, girls. Please make those tacos. Please eat up those fruits, those vegetables. Breakfast takes a new turn in my home this morning. Enjoy, girls.